What are you digging for? You found something? What did you find? What's that? Where you going with the bowl? There's nothing in there. Wow. You see all that snow in there? Yeah. Move. Ready? Easy. Easy. I said easy. What part of that is easy? What part of that is easy? Jeez. And just like that, he's gone. Oh, shoot. This is a lot of snow. Look at him. Gotta do a quick potty break first. All right. Come out of there. Let's go. Yeah. Meet the bird. He's trying to chase the birds. Come here. Meet the birds. I got a potty again. Kai! Come here. Good boy. Go, go, go. Go play in the snow. Yeah. What's that? Let me grab this shovel while I'm at it. Yeah. Just need this. Come here. Where you going? Go, go, go. Let's grab a snowball. See if I can get him. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of snow. Yeah. And now he's gone in the neighborhood there. It's getting cool out here. Come on. One more and then we finish. Then we finish. Let me see your face. Where you going with the bowl? There's nothing in there. It's covered in snow. You're not ready to go inside yet? Here goes the next slide. What's up? Come here. Leave the birds. You keep looking at the birds. Yeah, what's up? You ready to go get some jerky or something? Let's go get some food. I'm digging. And the digging has begun. Where's your ball? You found the ball, you can find your ball. Find your ball. Ooh, look at this. How are these birds out here? Eat the bird. Look at him trying to catch a bird. Eat the bird. Tired now? You sound like you're tired. It's a lot of snow to run in. Sound tired. Ready to go inside? Gotta make sure it's not snowing in my camera. Alright, let's go inside now. Let me turn this off. Oh, we gotta go inside now. Come inside. Let's go get some jerky with some wops. You don't want to come inside? I know you don't want to come inside. Look at that face. You don't want to come inside. We come back out later. We're gonna come back out later. Okay? We go inside now and then we come back out later.